Hey guys, welcome back. Just picked up a Badland off-road jack 3-ton from Harbor Freight, and let's go ahead and put it together. Alright guys, let's do this. Alright, instructions. Nuts, washers, tools. The height adjustment. It's the base for it. This is for the height adjustment. There. The front wheel, rear, front, rear, and the jack. Just look at that, pretty. Alright, so let's take a look here. So we got the jack, nice little handle, and then the lift bar. Let's see. Various tool installation hardware. So got a little wrench comes with. This is a locking pin for the height adjustment. This is a mount that goes on the jack here. A couple washers, little screws to hold this plate in. Washers and nuts for the wheels. I believe these are 19 millimeter. And I believe these little guys are 4 millimeter hex head. So let's go ahead and put these on. Go ahead and put that little tray on. It's gonna go. So the little tray goes right here. See the two little holes there? Lines up with those two little holes. So it's gonna look like that. So let's go ahead and put that on. It's gonna look just like this. There you go. So when I'm putting on the wheels, I usually just put it on the styrofoam it came with. It's a little heavy. There we go. That way I got the front hanging off, put the wheels on, and then I'll slide it backwards how the back came off there. So let's go ahead and get to that. Remember, the wheels are held on with a 19 millimeter nut. Front wheel goes on. Washer. Nut. Same for the other side. Nut. washer, front wheel. Now for the back. Rear wheel. Washer, nut. Do the same on both sides. Oh yeah. Alrighty. I'll put the lift-in bar. I'm gonna have to pop this piece off here. I'm probably gonna have to get a flat tip screwdriver in there. At least I know it's covered in grease inside, so that's good. Let's go ahead and pop that off. So after you pop the little piece off, jack will, lift handle will come up, and then to add the other part, got a little ball there, push pin, that, and voila, neat little guy. Now for the height extension adapter, if you wanted to use it, so for example, let's go ahead and set this to you see it has holes there for where the hex bolts line up to, so just place it there. There you go. Now these are only finger tight, but the jack comes with a hex key to tighten them. It's right here. Voila. Voila. You can slide it back in its little piece here. Hold on. So you gotta push the piece in. Goes like that. Oh man. Ready to jack up that monster. Or that one. So don't forget to like and subscribe, and hopefully you get to see me and use this in my future videos. Thanks for watching. Till next time, ride safe. Hey guys, forgot to mention one thing. So say if you did not want to use this height adjustment, you can put it right here in this little mount. See the little notches there? Goes like that. And you put that like that, and that secures it. Voila. And you can tighten it down. So for transport, and you can use it regular like that. Pretty cool.